I felt my skin kind of, glowing.
This hair mask basically helps to soothe and
stick the gooey, slimy stuff on your face.
Like a little oil and warm. Keep it on the face.
So I'm gonna be doing this Alia way. So यहाँ पे ऐसे Hey everyone, it's Shalini. Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back with another fun concept and content on this channel. So if you guys have been following my channel for the longest, then you might know this already that I'm obsessed with Indian cinema. I love watching movies and talking about movies. और मैं ऐसे videos भी online देखना पसंद करती हूँ कि Indian और Bollywood celebrities अपने day-to-day life में क्या खाना पसंद करते हैं. What is their beauty regime like? What are the beauty hacks that they like to follow to keep their skin healthy and good looking? So in today's video, I'll be testing and trying some of the Bollywood celebrities' beauty hacks. So माधुरी दीक्षित, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, आलिया भट्ट, अनन्या पांडे, सनी लियोनी, इन सबके ब्यूटी हैक्स हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले हैं ऑन माय स्किन, बॉडी एंड हेयर और देखते हैं कि ये हैक काम करता भी है कि नहीं. सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स बिगिन. Today is day one of trying celebrities beauty hacks and tips, and this is the morning time, just the right time to try the first hack. This is by Katrina Kaif. So I always get up with this puffy face और मुझे करीबन 3 से 4 घंटा लग जाता है मेरे पूरे फेस को डीपफ करने में, especially this eye area, under eye area and this cheek area बहुत समय लगता है. So I like to use this kind of ice rollers on my face to depuff my face. I got this from Amazon and this actually works, but we are trying Katrina's hack जहाँ पे वो ice facial routine करती है, wherein she dips her face in ice bucket. She does that for 1 minute. So इसके benefits क्या हैं? This is gonna help to depuff my face, also gonna increase the blood circulation level on my skin, which in turn is gonna provide me like plump looking skin, also gonna tighten my pores. So a lot of benefit it has. So I have this steel का bowl with me जहाँ पे मेरा face fit हो जाता है, but I won't be able to show you guys कि मैं कैसे dip कर रही हूँ. So मैंने mom के secret cabinet से ये glass वाला bowl निकाला है. Don't tell mom, she's gonna kill me. Anyway, so यहाँ पे मैं जब डिप करूँगी अपना फेस तो आपको दिखाई देगा मेरा रिएक्शन. Here's my ice bucket, here's my timer. Let's just start the timer now. 1 minute, let's go. मैं पीछे हो जाती हूँ मैं. Brain fog. Okay, so I quickly went ahead and applied some tinted lip balm, and I have some thoughts regarding this ice facial routine. So this is something that I'm feeling already, that I feel wide awake and I feel कि water retention कम हुआ है यहाँ पे और मेरे cheek वाले area पे, and my forehead is like extremely ठंडा, but my eyes are still puffy and my entire face is feeling dry. Obviously it's like ice water I applied, so it's gonna like dry up my skin. I'm gonna rate this hack 7 out of 10. Will I try this again? Probably yes, to depuff my face, but for the eyes I really don't think so. Here's the before and after. You guys tell me, can you see any difference, like instant result आपको कोई दिख रहा है? क्योंकि मुझे तो feel हो रहा है definitely. We are back in the kitchen. We will be trying beauty hack number 2. This is by Ananya Pandey. This is a DIY face pack which needs 3 ingredients only: yogurt, honey and turmeric. इसके कुछ benefits भी उन्होंने बताए हैं.
So yogurt is extremely important for your skin because it has lactic acid in it, which actually helps in the removal of dead skin. And haldi, and it's really good for anti-inflammatory. And honey, it gives you that glow. Every time after I've used this face mask on my face, I felt my skin kind of, glowing and tinted.
So let's just apply the face pack. उन्होंने हाथों का use करके लगाया है face pack. So that is what I'm gonna do. Sometimes turmeric can stain your face, so 1 tablespoon felt a lot, but चलो देखते हैं. And not to forget the neck area. Ananya said not to forget the neck area. अभी भी काफी सारा बचा है इसमें, मेरी पूरी फैमिली यूज कर सकती है, इतना सारा बचा है इसमें. Anyway guys, I'm okay to apply yogurt, honey and turmeric on my face. मैं जो भी DIY packs बनाती हूँ उसमें मैं include करती हूँ ये सारी चीजें. But I'm not okay to apply lemon on my face because ये बहुत ज़्यादा acidic होता है. That can really damage the skin and burn the skin. I'm happy that Ananya ने इस वाले face pack पे कोई lemon use नहीं किया है. Lemon is no for me on my face. Okay, on my body I'm okay with it. I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes. That's what Ananya said. और wow, पजामे में लग ही गया मेरे. 15 minutes are done. Ananya kept it for 12 minutes. She cheated a bit. 3 minutes बचा लिए उन्होंने.
So it has been 12 minutes because I'm very scared that I'm going to stain my face.
मुझे भी वही लग रहा था, डर की स्टेन ना कर दे. Anyway, I'm gonna go wash my face in like ऐसे motion. I'll be right back. Guys, I am back and my sister has something to tell you. What is it? बोल. She said कि मैं yellow दिख रही हूँ and I definitely feel that कि it has stained my face. Anyway, let's just pat dry the skin. So this is the before and the after result of applying this face mask on my face. What do you guys think? I have some thoughts regarding this face mask. पहली चीज़ तो ये, this is made with all organic ingredient और ऐसे ingredient जो मेरे skin tone को suit करता है. दूसरी चीज़, it has stained my face. So 1 teaspoon बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, थोड़ा सा कम use करना चाहिए था मुझे. Thirdly, I do feel hydrated. My skin doesn't feel like dry, जो कि कभी कभार face mask कर देता है. So that's a good thing. And yes, there is a slight bit of glow on my face. There is an instant glow on my face. अब ऐसे DIY face mask अच्छे होते हैं अगर आप अच्छा ingredient, organic ingredient, good quality ingredient use करो जो आपके skin tone को suit करे, आपके skin type के according हो. But अगर आपको long term में result चाहिए, active ingredients are your best friend. Trust me. Now moving on to next hack. So this next hack is by Sunny Leone. She looks so beautiful even without makeup. So she really swears by this hack, that is applying natural aloe vera all over your skin as a face pack.
You just cut the leaf off, you pull the inside out, you smash it up, and you stick the gooey, slimy stuff on your face, and you leave it there till it dries and you wash it off.
I am a huge fan of aloe vera. This really suits my skin. मेरे पास store bought aloe vera gel है जो मैं हर दूसरे दिन यूज करती हूँ. जब भी मैं फेस को शेव करती हूँ, I just apply aloe vera gel all over my face and then using my razor I like to shave my face. But मैं aloe vera plant बहुत rarely यूज करती हूँ, even though मेरे घर पे है. Here is our aloe plant, guys. Got one. अभी इसे अच्छे से धोना पड़ेगा क्योंकि येलो part is not good for the skin. So बहुत अच्छे से धोऊंगी मैं इसे. So I have my aloe vera का mixture यहाँ पे. So this hack was also talked by many celebrities. मलाइका ने भी बात किया था.
This lovely aloe vera plant. Well, I use it mostly externally for my skin.
So many celebrities love their aloe vera, guys. So I'm just gonna be applying this. The only thing that I don't like is the smell of aloe vera. So aloe vera is antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. This has cooling properties, healing properties. और कुछ लोग को aloe vera suit नहीं करता है. So do a patch test before you apply this. And any of the DIY face pack or ingredients that I've mentioned in today's video, patch test is very important. So I'm going to leave this on for like 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse this off. 10 minutes are done. Aloe vera सूख चुका है मेरे face से. I have my water with me, so I'm just going to remove it ऐसे ऐसे करके. I don't know why I thought कि यहाँ पे रिमूव करना ईजी होगा. बहुत ज़्यादा पानी लगेगा मुझे क्योंकि अभी भी ऐसे स्टिकी लग रहा है. So I will go do that in washroom. I'll be right back. I am back. मुझे माइक्रोफाइबर टॉवल यूज़ करना पड़ा to remove aloe vera gel. हो नहीं पा रहा था पानी से. Anyway, this is what my skin is looking and feeling. I really like the way my skin feels currently. And let me tell you one thing. जो stain था ना टर्मरिक का जो हम लोग ने पैक यूज़ किया था वो भी इसने रिमूव कर दिया है. My skin definitely feels dehydrated. So I'm gonna go moisturize my face. I'll be rating this hack 9.5 out of 10. The next beauty hack is by Madhuri Dixit जी. उनका beauty hack हम लोग try करने वाले हैं for hair. This is a hair mask, DIY hair mask, and इसके लिए सिर्फ 3 ingredient लगेंगे.
एक बनाना लेकर आप उसको स्लाइस कीजिए. उसके बाद 2 टेबलस्पून योगर्ट लीजिए और 1 टीस्पून हनी. तो ये सब मिक्स करने के बाद आप इसको या तो हाथ से ही मैश कर सकते हैं या ब्लेंडर में डाल के आप ब्लेंडर में मैश कर सकते हैं. दिस हेयर मास्क बेसिकली हेल्प्स टू सूदन एंड सॉफ्टन द हेयर और इट एड्स शाइन टू योर हेयर.
Welcome to my washroom. So this is the before part. This is the condition of my hair. It's not bad actually. It's just very dirty and extremely oily from here. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा oily मेरा scalp. So I have extremely frizzy hair. ठीक है, and some very frizzy in nature. So I like to use conditioner after washing my hair and serum, like lot of product for the length of my hair. But माधुरी जी ने बोला है कि आप जो hair mask apply कर रहे हो ना, that is going to act as a conditioner.
You can avoid the conditioner after you use this mixture.
I swear I can eat this. I can eat this. Yeah, I can eat this, but I'll be applying this on my hair. Anyway, thank God I'm not hungry. Oh no. Hair mask is on. It is not feeling uncomfortable or heavy on my hair. I have to leave this for 30 to 45 minutes and it's not dripping that much though, but just to be on the safer side, मैं ये वाला जो surgical cap है ना वो लगा लेती हूँ, मेरी sister का है. See you in 45 minutes. Okay, it's been more than 45 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, and I cannot bear the smell now because the yogurt is smelling pretty bad, guys. Thank goodness मैंने hair cap लगा के रखा था, वरना मैं बदबू से मर जाती क्योंकि बदबू आ रही थी, मेरी बहन को भी आ रही थी. Anyway, it's time to wash the hair. I'll be washing this using regular water and shampoo, no conditioner, no conditioner. ओके सो बाल मैंने धुल के बाल सूखने के बाद पता चलेगा कि हाउ इज द रिजल्ट. सो मैं सुखा के मिलती हूँ. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट डे. आई वांटेड टू फिल्म इन नेचुरल लाइट और मेरे बालों में काफी अच्छी नेचुरल लाइट आती है. सो दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑफ माय हेयर. मैंने पूरा नेचुरली ड्राई किया है अपने बालों को. आई ऑल्सो ब्रश थ्रू माय हेयर. I have thoughts regarding this hair mask. बहुत ही आसान था इसे remove करना. It has definitely smoothened my hair. When I touch my hair feels very soft and smooth to touch. My scalp is not oily anymore. And yes, definitely there was no need to apply conditioner क्योंकि softness नीचे भी लग रही है मेरे बालों में. And did a pretty much good job, guys. I'm gonna give this hair mask thumbs up. 9 out of 10. I'm gonna give this hair mask. This definitely works. I will be using this again in future for sure. It is definitely मेंशन करना चाहूंगी कि हैव टू इन्वेस्ट ऑन हेयर कैप ताकि वो ड्रिपिंग ना हो आपके बालों से हेयर मास्क. एंड ऑल्सो वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे बदबू से बचाएगा दूसरे लोगों को और आपको भी. एंड आई रियली लव दिस. माधुरी जी knows her hair care game pretty well. So today is day 2 of trying Bollywood celebrities beauty hacks and I woke up with this puffy face. So ये next hack एकदम apt है अभी try करने के लिए. I'm talking about Alia Bhatt skin care routine जहाँ पे उन्होंने अपना skin care routine शुरू करने से पहले एक tool use किया था. This is the face tool or as Alia like to call it, skin massager on her face to reduce water retention.
Skin like massager जो भी मॉर्निंग वाला sort of water retention है वो चला जाता है.
So I got this about month ago when I did Cassie 4 AM morning routine और तब मैंने इसे यूज़ किया था. उसके बाद मैंने इसे on and off कुछ 3-4 बार यूज़ किया. I'm still figuring out the right technique to use this and we'll be following the routine जैसे आलिया कर रही है अपने फेस में, हम लोग वैसा का वैसा exactly करेंगे. For some reason आलिया uses MAC Fix Plus on her face before using this tool. So MAC Fix Plus जो है ना वो प्रेप और प्राइम है. आप उसे मेकअप से पहले अप्लाई कर सकते हो या मेकअप के बाद to set your makeup.
So this is like a spray which I use just to keep the skin a little bit like damp.
मुझे पता क्या लग रहा है कि हो सकता है कि उनका MAC Fix Plus खत्म हो गया हो और उन्होंने उसमें वाटर या रोज वाटर ऐड किया हो and then she applied that on her face. I believe you, Alia. I believe you. So I use some rose water all over my face and then I'm gonna switch on my massager. It's on. So I'm gonna be doing this Alia way. So यहाँ पे ऐसे और यहाँ पे ऐसे. I'm gonna be doing this for at least 2 minutes. 1 मिनट यहाँ पे 1 मिनट यहाँ पे. So let's go. Keeping my skin damp at all cost. अगर मुझे लग रहा है कि सूख गया है रोज वाटर, I will apply more. Okay guys, so I have thoughts. I definitely feel कि यहाँ पे जो अंडर आई ऐसे पफी लग रहा था वो मुझे थोड़ा कम हुआ है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट माई आईज आर लाइक स्टिल स्वेलन क्योंकि मैंने आईज पे ही मसाजर यूज़ नहीं किया है. दिस इज़ द बिफोर एंड द आफ्टर. यू गाइज लेट मी नो कमेंट सेक्शन में कि आपको कुछ डिफरेंट इंस्टेंटली दिखाई दे रहा है कि नहीं. बट द फीलिंग वॉज सो गुड व्हेन आई वॉज मसाजिंग माई फेस. आई वॉज फीलिंग सो रिलैक्सड एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक डूइंग दिस फॉर एटलीस्ट 10 more minutes. बट इतने टाइम तक हमें यूज़ नहीं करना रहता है इससे. Is by Priyanka Chopra and for this hack I needed some makeup on my face. So I've been wearing this makeup for 7-8 hours now and it's time to definitely remove it. So in this hack Priyanka Chopra talks about how one can remove their makeup using coconut oil.
I use organic coconut oil, which is amazing. That's great, right? Like it gets like a little oil and warm. Keep it on the face for like couple of minutes and then take like a moist hand towel, like put that in hot water and then once it's moist, just like sort of rub it against skin gently like that, and it exfoliates and hydrates at the same time.
So मैं coconut oil use नहीं करती हूँ ना अपने बालों में ना अपनी skin में. Anyway, I also want to give a shout out to Garima's Good Alive. उनका वीडियो मैंने देखा था कल, and that's how I thought of including this hack in today's video. So I have full face of makeup on, Dheet wala mascara, kajal, this liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna be taking few drops of coconut oil. Actually, this is more than few drops, and just warm it up. That's what Priyanka said, and just apply it all over the face to remove the makeup. Coconut oil is comedogenic product. It can clog your pores. That's the reason I never actually used coconut oil to remove my makeup. This is the very first time I'm using like way too much coconut oil on my face. So coconut oil is oil obviously, right? So this is gonna definitely break the makeup, but I will make sure that I will remove all the residue, which means I will double cleanse my face after like removing my makeup. Look at my eyes. Okay, so massaging is done. I massaged for a couple of minutes, actually for 2 minutes, and now I will be using this hot Gila towel. She said to like gently scrub the face, so that is what I'm gonna do. You guys know that I'm so against physical scrub, so I'm being very gentle. मैं अंडर आई एरिया पे तो बिल्कुल स्क्रब नहीं करूँगी. Alright, so this definitely works. I'm gonna give this hack 7 out of 10 because coconut oil is comedogenic. It can clog the pores. आपकी स्किन एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है. जब आप ऐसे अप्लाई करते हो, मसाज करते हो, आपकी स्किन कुछ एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है. तो you have to make sure कि आपका जो पोर्स है वो भी क्लेंस्ड हो. सिर्फ इसे ऐसे रिमूव करके छोड़ना नहीं है. Alright, so that was the last hack that I tried by Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Although this hack works, but I won't be trying this again on my skin because, as I said, coconut oil is comedogenic. It can clog the pores. Best alternative to coconut oil would be using micellar water on your face to remove the makeup, or you can also use those makeup removing balm on your face. But हाँ, डबल क्लिनजिंग करना मत भूलना. प्रियंका चोपड़ा के कुछ और बॉडी, स्किन और हेयर हैक्स थे जो हम लोग ने ट्राई नहीं किए. हो सकता है इस वीडियो का पार्ट 2 बने. पार्ट 2 के लिए आप मुझे बताओ दो कमेंट सेक्शन में कि पार्ट 2 देखना चाहते हो कि नहीं, और पार्ट 2 में हम लोग वो सारे हैक्स ट्राई कर सकते हैं. On that note, this was the video for today, you guys. Give this video a huge thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to watch ऐसे और content. मैं बहुत फास्ट बोल रही हूँ क्या? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna see you guys next time with brand new content on this channel. Bye everyone, take care.